Gonna take a peek in one of these tunnels. And you can see where they have it barricaded now. And above all these things, put on charity, which is the bond of perfectness, and let the peace of God rule in your hearts, to the which also you are called in one body, and be ye thankful. And the tunnel you see here still happens to be open. And continuing this beautiful walk as we take a look, Galatians 5, in verses 22 through 26, this passage is also well known as the fruit of the Spirit. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, long-suffering,